I believe in simple goodness, in quiet hands that give without a name, in a gentle smile born of kindness, a little light in a world of flame. Pure love asks for nothing, it only flows where weary hearts remain. And even the smallest seed of kindness will rise again through grief and rain. Oh, your humble steps, a prayer to softly move the earth. Goodness begets goodness, like morning spreading softly over land. Your honest smile, tender and weightless, brings a calm only true hearts understand. And faithful love, quiet fire that forever stands.